Okay, well, I think I'm going to go ahead and put another mask together today. This one is patterned by Dieselpunk.ro, link in the description below. Template's free. I've already got my template laid out on my leather here. Considering the state of the world these days, I would consider this an everyday mask because I think you could wear it every day. This mask is 5 simple pieces, and as you can see, I got the leather all cut out and my sewing holes all marked. About a minute later, I got all my sewing holes punched. Let's get this thing under dye. I'm going with a golden brown on this project, and I airbrushed this, and I know it looks dark in the video, but it's actually considerably lighter than it appears here. And this is not completely dry yet either. Kind of keep that in mind. I'll be using a white thread, so let's go ahead and get this thing all sewn together. Quick and easy basic pattern, got it all sewn together. But just like the other mask that I made, I don't like the way it rides across the bridge of my nose, so I'm going to go ahead and add this extra piece of leather here just for a little bit of extra comfort. And there we go. I've got this mask absolutely 100% complete now. It's even got Resolene on it. I might hit it with a second coat. It's not really as shiny as I really want it to be, but overall, I'm extremely happy with the way that this mask turned out. I think I'm going to go ahead and put elastic straps on it. I'm not exactly 100% sure yet. I'd like to note here that this mask offers zero protection against any type of virus or other airborne anything. It could be modified by putting a filter on the inside of it, but that is not the way that I've designed this at this point. This is more of, we'll just call this a fashion mask at this point. There's what the inside looks like. I'll let you decide whether or not this is something that you want to take the time to make. The entire project, it took about maybe an hour, hour and a half total, and that's about it. Well, anyhow, thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up, like, follow us on Instagram, and you would have seen this mask before I posted this video, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.